Number 1f is log 5 of plus x over 2 cube root of x. First thing is, when we look at this, we should recognize that log 5 is a constant. So this differentiates to 0. Now to differentiate this, because we have two x's in here, we cannot differentiate the way it is. What we have to do is express this as, I'm going to express this as the coefficient 1/2, and I'm going to combine these x's together within 1 power. So this becomes x to the power 1 minus 1/3 or 2/3. Now I can differentiate this. This is going to then become 2/3 times 1/2, and then I'm going to subtract 1 from the power. I end up with negative 1/3. When I go from 2/3 minus 1, I get negative 1/3. So then I can simplify this to the 2's cancel out, so I get 1/3 x to the negative 1/3, or I'm going to put cube root x in the denominator. For 1h, before I can differentiate this, because there's a times in here, I cannot differentiate this part separately from this. I could do that with pluses, but not with times. So before I differentiate this, I have to expand this all out. So I'm going to FOIL it. So I get x to the 1/2, x1, this is 3 over 2, plus, outside is going to be x to the 1/2 times 1, plus, inside is going to be x to the 1/3 times x to the 1, so x to the 4/3 plus x to the 1/3. Once I've expanded that, oops, this is not the derivative, that's just y. Once I expand that, now I can differentiate because all the x terms are separated by pluses. So I end up with 3 over 2 x to the 1/2 plus 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 plus 4 over 3 x to the 1/3 plus 1 over 3 x to the negative 2/3. Okay, and that's good enough. Although I'm going to put this into its root form. This becomes 3 root x over 2 plus 1 over 2 root x in the denominator plus 4 cube root x over 3 plus 1 over 3 cube root x squared.